What store is that?
The Hair World or whatever. Over there by the Regal. So we got a little bit more to do. Her bang area.
Bang, bang.
But we're going to finish that up at a later date. This is with her top, her bangs just kind of like pulled down. But anyway, so
Some
here.
of that would look cool.
That's the part. That's the fire dreads before they're dreaded.
Yeah, this is the end result until we do
There's another
the
one we found. I think she hung up over there that we're gonna make some out of.
until we do the very, very final thing. But this is how long her hair was originally, and now she's got real dreads now. Long winds. Hey girl, hey. Hey girl, hey. Yeah. Okay, look at me. Oh my God! I mean, what do you do? What do you do? Look at me again. Give me the look. Bitch. Look, I'm taking pictures. Pictures.